Hey there, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Earlier, you spoke with my partner Jeff and requested this free video. So today we're going to go over just a few tips you can start applying right away, and it's really going to help with your online presence and getting more organic leads so you don't have to rely on referrals or paid lead service programs like an Angie's or Home Advisor. It is important to note that nearly 70% of your organic leads are going to come from your website. So it is really critical that your website be properly designed and optimized so you can capture those leads. All right. So first things I notice on your website is your call to action, and I love it. Your phone number and a form right on top as soon as they land on your page. Really good job. Let's see. I also see a separate page for every single one of your services. This is really good as well. This is really, really important. This allows you to write content specific to the service that you're performing and to target specific keywords for that service in your service area. This is really, really important. So good job on having those. I'm hoping that you guys have enough written content and that you're really focused on those local buyer intent keywords, which are the keywords people are actively searching in Sacramento for your services right now. Let's see what else we have going on here. Focus on the local keyword. Okay. So unless Sacramento is your keyword, highlighting those aren't doing you any good. You do need to be highlighting at least once for your buyer intent keyword you're trying to rank for. And you do need to be using exact match keywords, and I'm not seeing that as the case, nor am I seeing the repetition needed to have the keywords indexed, let alone ranked. This is good. Little summary of each of your services. Now, each of these should have a keyword or two in there. You want local buyer intent keywords in each of these summaries. So Google does not rank websites based on appearance. It is all based on content. Content is key, and you do need a lot of it. Now, you do have a good amount of content, so that's really good. But you want to make sure that you have more content than your competition. And Google really likes to see at least 1,000 to 1,500 words. So I would definitely double check on your content. Make sure that you are going after your relevant local buyer intent keywords and that you're not going after the same keywords that you're going on your service pages. You do need to have 250 words for every keyword that you're planning to target. And if you're servicing multiple service areas, you really need to consider having service area pages. That way you can actually be found organically for all of these services in each of your service areas. Let's take a look at your top competitor in Sacramento for remodeling contractors. And we have GVD Renovations. These guys have a fantastic website. They have separate pages for all of their services. They've got tons of pages. They got call to action, click to call, estimates. They got the interlinkings like you guys do, which helps your SEO. Oops, sorry. Didn't mean to do that. Tons of images. Which are not optimized. So they're missing out on that. But it looks like they have a ton more content than you guys do. So you're definitely going to need to beat them content-wise. Not just on your homepage, but throughout the entire website. So they've got a ton of information, pages, and content here. Tons. So you're going to need well over 1,500 words. And it looks like they do have separate pages for each and every one of their service areas. So that's going to be really, really important that you do that as well. And then you have to support your website with SEO, because without it, you're never going to be found online. So now if we take a look here, we can see your score of a 0.2 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, meaning Google does not trust your website. That is 100% based on your backlinks and referring domains. Now, a referring domain is any website that will provide your website with a link from their site to your site, and the backlink is just that physical link coming from the other website. The intention is to link with your keywords, rank your keywords, and drive traffic to your website. Now, while you do need a ton of backlinks, not all backlinks are created equal. This is a popularity contest in Google. So you need to keep those backlinks relevant. They need to be authoritative, directly related to your types of services, and they need to be do follows so that they can help you rank. If we look here, you only have 2 that are do follows. So you only have 2 good links supporting your website. But because you don't really have any content, you haven't been indexed for any keywords, and you're getting 0 traffic to your website. So you're missing out on tons of customers by not being properly optimized. If we look at your competitor, whoa, this is huge. They got 46 out of 100, over 20,000 backlinks, which is complete overkill considering they have 2,000 domains. And of those, only 574 are do follows. So to outrank these guys, it would take quite a bit of work. It's not impossible. It can be done. But you have to work on these strategies, and you have to have a really good SEO strategy as well. You're going to need more than 574 do follow referring domains in quantity and quality. And these guys have over 1,200 pages. So they've been indexed for over 11,000 keywords, and they're getting over 13,000 people to their website each and every month. So it's going to be really, really important for you to follow these tips so that you can start capturing some of this traffic as well. And then the last part of this is going to be your Google business profile. Now, your goal should be to be in the top 3, because 30% of people search here and don't go anywhere else. And so if you're not in these top 3 spots for any of your keywords or service areas, you're sending all those leads to your competitors and leaving money on the table. So in order to get on the top 3, there's several factors, including citations, which is the name of the business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Glassdoor. And you will need a lot more of those than your top competitors. But if you follow each of these tips I have provided you today, your website has that opportunity to be number 1 across Google for your service areas and your services. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful, and I would really love to get your feedback. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.